Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these custard cream blondies. Let's begin. To get started, you'll want to melt together your white chocolate and butter and just mix the two together until they are fully combined. They should be smooth and glossy, a bit like what you can see right now. Then you can go ahead and add in your sugar and whisk this in until it's fully incorporated. You may find this makes the mixture a little bit more granular and come together. This is completely normal, so don't worry. You can then go ahead and add in all of the eggs and the vanilla, not forgetting that, and just whisk together until fully incorporated. It may seem like a lot of eggs, but it will make the mixture come together and make it much smoother and glossier. So mix until you've achieved that consistency. Then add in the plain flour and custard powder, followed by the custard creams and white chocolate chips, and just fold everything in until it's fully incorporated and very well combined. You're looking for the fillings to be fairly distributed throughout the batter. You can then go ahead and take a 9-inch cake tin which has been lined with some parchment paper and pour in all of this blondie batter. It's not as loose as a normal one due to the custard powder and the fillings we've used, so you may need to help it a little bit and spread it out in the pan as best you possibly can. This will just help with level and consistent baking, so you won't have any raw bits and you won't have any overdone bits. And once you've got this all spread and leveled out, you can then go ahead and add dollops of custard cream spread. This is a homemade version, but I think you can buy a shop bought version from a supermarket, but you'll have to check that. If you can't, Gemma Stafford has a very good recipe on her website for you to make your own at home with only a few simple ingredients. Once you've placed the dollops on, just swirl it all around until you've got even coverage all over. You can then go ahead and top with some of the custard cream biscuits. I like to use one per portion, but feel free to place as many or as few as you'd like on top. These aren't, necessary, but they are custard cream blondies, so you may want to add them on top for decoration. You've got them in the filling, but why not add more on top? You can then go ahead and place this into the oven and bake off. I will leave all the baking times, temperatures, and everything you need to know in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So here are what the blondies look like once they are baked and fully cooled. So for me, this was the following day. You can then cut them up however you like. I went with 9 portions, and you get fairly generous squares, but feel free to cut them up however you'd like. And here is what the inside of it looks like. You've got the custard cream on top, and you can see the swirl of the custard cream spread. And look, you've got custard creams, the chocolate chips, and the dense blondie, which is what you're looking for. Cakey blondie is not a blondie at all, I'm sorry. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.